Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Daily Doodles for you. And today's doodle is going to be Dave from the game Friday Night Funkin. So let's see, I'm going to grab a black marker and get started. I'm going to start with his eyes, which are just two circles, 1 and 2. And then inside, just a little dot. And now let's give him eyebrows. And now let's give him some hair. So we're gonna come on down like that. Just kind of a little funny little U shape. And now we can come on up over those eyebrows. And we can come on down a little bit and do another kind of silly U. And then come up, almost like a helmet. And come on down. And we are going to connect right here and right here. And now we're going to finish and make a circle. Alright, so now we got his head, but now he needs a smile, so like that. Perfect. He's a happy guy. So now let's do a neck. Like that, which is actually another U shape. And now let's do a shoulder. We're going to do like a little circle almost, but we're leaving a little spot here. And from there, we're going to come on out with an arm, 2 lines like that, and then 1 that way. And then finish off that arm. And now we can do a hand and do 1, 2, like 3 fingers here. And he's going to be holding onto a microphone, so I got a circle made. And then we can have a little bit of that microphone kind of poking out from this part of his hand here. And I'm going to make all these little lines going down this way and then going across too for our microphone. And I'm going to connect the shoulder here to right there. And let's do the other shoulder. And we can come on down and do a line right here and keep going down. And we can draw a line like that to finish off that shirt. And now his leg is going to be coming this way because he's sitting. And draw another line right there. And now this part of his leg is going to be like a point, kind of like an upside down V. And then we'll come on down, 2 lines, and then we're going to make a regular V. And so we're going to do the same right here. So upside down V, come on down, 2 lines, and then another V shape. And then we can do a line right here and a line right here. And now let's do the other arm. So we've got another kind of round shoulder. Do a line. His hand is going to be on his hip, so this arm is bent. Do part of the shirt here, a little sleeve. And now one more line there. And we can do a little curve there for the hand that's on his hip. Okay, so now let's do the chair he's sitting in. So we'll do a little line there and come on down. And we'll keep going. And make a little line right here. And then we can do a line coming this way. And then we're going this way. And now let's do a circle here. And we can do a little line right there, a little curved line, and another circle. So this one's going to be kind of hidden behind his legs, but it's still there. Okay, so now we've got Dave drawn. Let's do some coloring. Alright, so we're all finished drawing and coloring our doodle for the day. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Bye!